What's the meaning of adolescent? Adolescent. 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 Adolescent refers to a young person who is in the stage of development between childhood and adulthood. This period is generally characterized by physical, emotional, and intellectual changes. Adolescents often experience a range of challenges as they navigate this transition, such as adjusting to new social roles and dealing with the pressures of academic performance and peer relationships. Overall, adolescence is a critical period for shaping one's identity and preparing for the responsibilities of adulthood. Effective support and guidance from parents, educators, and mental health professionals can contribute to positive outcomes for adolescents.